Welcome to today's early fall vlog. August 2025, y'all. How this year has flown by, but it's not too late to lock in. If you're like me and just getting out of a rut, let's be productive. Let's get all done. First though, if you have dogs, let's give them some treats, entertain them so we can clean all this dog hair and dust. Let's do it. Okay, y'all. Just as I was getting ready to get down to cleaning, I realized all my tripods are broken. So somebody I know gave me a little one, but the problem is I need a standstill one that's tall to get different angles and move around my counter, different shots when I'm cleaning over the sink. Probably this big is a stand plus the little phone case. So it's not what I need. We're gonna go see what we can find either at Target or Walmart. Thankfully, I found exactly what I needed, and you guys won't believe this. It was the last one in stock. Anyways, I played around with the setting to open and close it. Super easy, just snaps open. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of some emails. I have an email to send out to potentially sponsorship, so pray that your girl gets it. Quick meal, Publix delivery with a little bit of soy sauce, sushi, and then we'll get back to cleaning. I'm watching a little YouTube motivation on literally cleaning and resets. So we're gonna dust and wipe down the windows. We're gonna sift through those books. We're gonna wipe the counters. We're gonna just put things away in the living room. I've been in a slump like I mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video, and so this is me really setting the tone moving forward and locking in. So let's do it. I already ordered groceries, Instacart. Shout out to Instacart. How I've been able to get out of this slump is romanticizing my daily to-do lists, responsibilities and adulting, and the challenges that come with day-to-day life. Instead of focusing on the trials and the hardships that I'm facing right now, I've shifted it to be grateful for where I am and how far I've come with the Lord's help. And that has changed for me. It's the faith that the solution will come. Back to these blinds. Not only did we dust, but now we're going to spot treat. Tiny little speck. Now it's good. Quick story time. I got stung by a wasp for the first time in my life, and when I get up, you will see the mark on my leg. It looks like a big bruise. Yeah, not a good time. Do not recommend it. And it smells so good. Okay, come with me because, y'all, I keep the magazines that are fall themed, that are older but on theme, and these are fall classics. It's cute, and so I put it out. I don't even actually subscribe to this. I think this is a gift from somebody, so we're gonna put it out though. We're gonna switch it, okay, y'all? This is just some of the decor, and so we're gonna focus on the throw pillows, magazines, and little things here and there on the side tables, and then we can build on that as we go. But honestly, I don't need 5+ books at one time, okay? I can only focus on so much at one time. There's no way I'm absorbing all this subject matter. So clear that out, and I'm only keeping the books that I'm currently reading. Okay, so this closet will be another project for another day, but we focus on one room at a time. I read that somewhere, and that's how you don't get overwhelmed. So I decided on this, and then I cleared everything out. I just don't know what I'm gonna do up there. So we finished cleaning, but that I sprayed some stain remover on it. It's drying, and then those spots, it's also drying. But everything else is clean. We just have the stains drying. It came out really well. This is the final results. So we'll finish decorating, getting the rest of the stuff from storage for fall a little bit later. That's it. I didn't even get to the kitchen. My phone died, but I did mop, so at least the floor is all so clean. And I need a new bin for the dog toys because Grace, look at that guy, she's been chewing on the corners. She's a chewer. I did have this extra magazine as well. Like I said, these are all old, but it goes with the theme. Ironies, I got a text this morning that said, pick up your coffee, your free coffee birthday. Like it's a birthday gift, something like that, from this local coffee shop. And you have until between now, I think it's cool that they let you pick it up literally whenever, like this huge gap. It doesn't have to be the day of your birthday. And I love when companies and businesses do that, because hello, it's my birthday. I might be doing this or that. I don't know what I'm doing. And so I love that they give you actually a time frame, and the deadline is your birthday. So I have this until September. I'm a September baby. I love it. I'm here for it. So if y'all see me, okay, with a cup in hand, and that's probably not the only coffee place that's gonna do that. So here's a tip and a hack. Like if it is around your birthday, I know like Sephora does it. They give you like a little sampler, like lotion or birthday spray or coupon from Bath and Body Works. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that like Bath and Body Works might do something. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below for people to know if you sign up for rewards or you create an account or you shop at this place. What kind of birthday incentive do they have? We would love to know. Okay, put the girlies on. Okay, let's let everybody else know, because I know we have a lot of birthdays coming up. I know my family, huge birthdays are coming up. We're gonna go and I'm gonna film some content outside of my house. This is like, I'm really trying hard to step out of my comfort zone, okay, and film in public, which is very, very hard for me, okay, especially when I got this tripod, okay, and it's not very incognito, okay, and it looks kind of weird, but they have such cute things I want you guys to see. Dillard's did not have any fall items out yet, so I didn't even show it. This is Belk's. Belk's had a few things here or there, 1 or 2, 3 items. Honestly, a lot of their summer stuff was on clearance, but glass-wise, these are really great high-end and good quality glasses. Dishwasher, listen, thicker than my thighs, okay? And they're not gonna break easily like the cheaper ones. So, World Market had these really cute pop-outs, and I just thought it was so cute and so creative, as well as these cute pumpkin matching like little sets. However, the cups are super thin, but the bowls are better quality.